Gold and silver both traded in a very narrow range throughout the day, failing to stay bullish above 23.1820 and failing to drop below 23.10. We have seen a range bound movement for gold so far. Likewise, silver, it has failed to stay bearish below 29.20 and bounce back. And on the upside, 29.50 level, see precisely the no trade zone as we discussed and expected in our Asia and Europe session is respected. Can we expect it to give a breakout? And if yes, which direction it is going to be, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation and inspiration. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver wash. Now, see, if you look at the gold here, see, one thing is clear that after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. Now, this retracement channel is a slightly bullish channel here. And you can also notice the resistance it is seen at 2320. Thus, it is very, very important for it to break beyond 2320 levels. Else, also you can see that right now it is also respecting the lower end of this channel. And thus, we have to wait for it to break below 2310 in order to stay. Next, you can see after staying bearish, now the moving averages have converged here and these are providing it a very, very good support. So higher lows are seen, consolidation is observed. We have to wait for a breakout. Thus 2310, 2320 is a no trade zone. Stochastic rising here, the MACD almost running flat, and see after the retracement it is crossed over and it is trading with slight divergence, not a good sign for the bulls. RSI is trading with slight bearishness coming to 2 hour. Look at the 2 hour charts after the drop retracement. See, it is still trading in the retracement channel and it has the potential for it to continue on the upside. How far? We can look forward to 23.35.40 zone as well. But still, I will not treat this as bullish as long as 23.50.60 levels are not taken. About 23.60 is where you can treat this as a reverse. Right now on the 2 hour charts, you can see a very strong support is formed here at 23.10. And on the upside, the resistance is also equally strong here. Thus, we have to wait for it to give a clear-cut direction. Also look at how strong is the support provided from the 20 period moving average, which is indeed proving out to be a good support for it to continue trading bullish. Right now I can see the bearishness is still not very much there, and anyways the bullishness is also not there, though the stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is retracing here after this sharp drop. It is still in green and it is still looking upwards. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also running flat here. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. Look at these 4 candles, perfect support at 2310 levels, and look at the candles here on the upside, perfect resistance here at 2318, 2320. We have to be extremely cautious and careful as long as these levels are respected, and in fact below 2310, 2308, these levels are also going to play a major role here. For now, see what is happening here. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise. It is consolidating its position, and right now I can see it is still not willing to trade with the bearishness. However, if it drops below 2310, then slight bearishness can be observed, but still the reversal or a drop confirmation is only and only if it trades below 2300, where we can expect 2290 and 2280 levels. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, look at MACD hitting the lows. It is looking upwards. It may continue to trade on the upside and on the buy side. RSI running flat. Coming to 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, look at these 4 to 5 candles here. See, first of all, almost a flat or aligned. The opening or closing of these candles are beautifully aligned. Second, almost a double bottom. Look at these candles here. There is a bullishness, then there's reversal, then there is slight bearishness, then continuation of the downside. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 23.18.20 levels. So 23.18.20 on the upside, 23.08.10 on the downside. Now look on the 2 hour, 3 hour chart, the 20 period moving average was the support. Now here it is the resistance. So the prices has to come out of this complete zone. And if you look at the rise, the retracement, the rise, consolidation, and it can again lead to a rise towards 2330 or in fact 2340 levels as well. Stochastic dropping a bit, MACD crossed over looking bullish, RSI running flat. Coming to the daily, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30-second mentorship batch starting soon. The 31st batch is started this week. Register yourself now. In this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of the signals channel and trade with profits. Reach out to me again via Telegram or email for details. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, and yes, which offers a SAFE account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now, see, one thing you should notice on the last, see a reversal sign, almost a flat bottom or double bottom levels, then one bullish candle, second bullish candle, and both the candles comes with bigger tails here. Now, bigger tails suggest that there is bullishness and the prices fail to stay bearish. Prices fail to stay at lower levels, and that is why we can see it trading bullish. Now, if you connect the dots here for the last two candles, you can find out today again 2308, 2310 zone is going to be a very good support. Hitting the support again, it can try to rise. Where is the 20 period and where is the median of the Bollinger Band? Sitting at around 2340 and plus level. Also track the movement here, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. See, the drop can be either on double candles or on single candles. The highs of this candle is somewhere here right now for the day is at around 2360, 2380. Now, also one must remember that today it is starting on a flat note and it is continuing to trade bearish. Once it draws below 23,810 levels, we can expect it to move towards 23,5, 23,4 and then 2298, 2300. Now, once it draws below 2298 and then 2294, 92, you can say, see, as long as these lows are not broken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Very, very clear. We have to wait for it to break these lows, which is sitting at around 2287, 8. That will confirm the breakout here and that will lead to sharper bearish candles from here. Be watchful of this. Else it is still not bearish. The stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is running flat. So look, I will recommend you to buy at 23, 18, 20 zone and expect it to move towards 23, 25 first, 23, 32 next, and then rather I will say 23, 25 first, 23, 32, 35 next, and then beyond that we can expect it to move towards 2350, 2360 zone as well. Yes, it can continue to trade bullish if it stays beyond 23, 32, 35 levels. Stay bullish. Stronger bullish momentum may prevail. In fact, first we can look forward to 2350 and then beyond 2350 is where little further bullishness can be expected. On the downside, a selling entry is at 2308, 2310 zone. However, you have to be very, very careful here as long as 2287 is not taken. And what are the support levels which you can expect it before 2287? 2304 first support zone, 2298 second levels, and then 2294. Below that 2287. So these are going to play major role. Below 2287 is where the bears will take over. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at, see, silver on the hourly charts here. You can see this taking the support from the 20 period. It is now trying to rise. However, on the upside, 2950 proving out to be a greater resistance. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 2950 and 60 levels in order to confirm and continuation of with the bullish momentum here. If you look at the moves here, good consolidation here, and then this bullish channel has appeared. So it appears 2960 should also be a very good resistance here. Now, once it stays beyond 2960, we can look forward to 2980, 85, and beyond this, you should treat this for a reversal and a stronger rise. The stochastic rising, the MACD is also bullish here. The RSI is rising, showing little bullishness. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts, a bigger bullish candle retracement, and it is now trying to continue on the upside. Yes, with very little bullish momentum, it has to break beyond 2950, 2960 zone in order to continue with the bullish bias. And yes, it can lead to a stronger rise. Good support is seen now at 2930. As long as 2930 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic flat, MACD has crossed over, trading with a rise. RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. Very clear, very good support is seen trying to break out. We have to wait for 2950 levels to be taken at least. That should confirm the move towards 2975, 2980, and then if it stays beyond 2980, stronger rise will be seen here. Now, if you look at the formation here, see what has happened, the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, the retracement. Right now, I can see lower highs, but at the same time, the delta here and here should be same. So this complete zone between 2920 to 2980 is going to be critical for silver. Stochastic is flat near to top. MACD has crossed over here. Trading with little divergence, suggestive of bullishness. RSI running flat. Coming to 4 hour. Look at 4 hour chart. See, as long as 2950 is not taken, we have to be careful. And beyond 2950, we can look forward to 2970, 70, 80 zone. And beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail. See, the moving averages right now are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. And also, if you look at we can see waves here. So we have to wait for it to break beyond 2980 in order to confirm the bullishness. The stochastic has retraced. MACD, look at MACD forming double bottom. It is crossing over here. It can lead to slight bullishness. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, one observation that it is trading in this bearish channel. Second observation, it is seen taking support from the 50 period moving average. Third is 2980, 85, very very good resistance. And once the prices moves beyond $30 levels, stay bullish. We can look forward to 30.50 and in fact $31 levels today itself. Possibility is there. But if you look at the movement, see on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle, a flat top and a strong bearish momentum. It has erased some of the positions from here and now trying to bounce back. Second thing is it has breached the lows here, so it is still not completely to be treated as bullish as long as 2980, 85 levels are not taken. So this is again a caution note. The stochastic is over. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy silver at 2950. When you see the lower price about 2950, this is excluding spreads. You can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 2970, 80 zone, first target zone, and then we can expect $30 levels at the next target. Beyond 30, just stay bullish for 3025, 3050, and 31 levels as well. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 2930 levels, below 2930. When you see the higher price below 2930, you can take a sell entry, but 2915, $29 levels are the first support levels. Then we can look forward to 2880, 2875 levels, and then 2850 levels here. Below 2850, a sharper drop will be seen here. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update.